Early 1990 MJs and XJs had this weird hydraulic hose connected to their clutch master cylinder, and it is no longer manufactured by Mopar, Jeep, or anyone else until advanced adapters came out with this interesting solution. I purchased a new slave cylinder for the clutch, but look, there is no telling what I'm getting into. Look at this wiring contraption that's holding on this hydraulic line. That's not a good sign. All right, what we've got here, in order to do this job, you're going to need a clutch master cylinder. There is the AutoZone port number there. And you're going to need this advanced adapters kit. And the reason you're going to need this advanced adapters kit is because this device here is no longer made by Jeep or Mopar. And this one here is severely worn. This is the part that goes into the clutch master cylinder. You see it's got a little O-ring there. And this just shakes in and out. When you buy your clutch master cylinder, you're going to get a new O-ring and push pin to go in the master cylinder for this. The O-ring does not come in this kit, so beware of that. Now in this kit, it's got a coupon, and it says read that first, so we will. It has a braided line with the proper fittings, probably a cool sticker, yes, an advanced adapter sticker, and some other information. So it's pretty simple to do. Basically, this fitting here, which they supply, is going to go in here, this way, in here. You have to put the O-ring on it, which comes with your clutch master cylinder, and then this will screw on, and you have to go underneath the vehicle to the slave cylinder and remove the original clip type and put this on there. So let's go do that now. Okay, as you see, the new transmission is installed with the new slave cylinder. So what we want to do is take this fitting off here, and we are going to put this advanced adapters fitting on. So we're going to need a few little wrenches here. What I did, I used just a little crescent wrench on this piece here, and then I used a 7/16 flare wrench on here, and then it should just come right off. Now this is the fitting that came with the advanced adapters kit right here, and then you put your braided line and it goes all the way up to the top. This is your bleed screw, nothing to hook onto this one, only this one. And the next thing I did was I put the little O-ring that comes with the master cylinder, and I'm going to spray a little bit of silicone on there on that O-ring so it will seat. And then once I seat it, I'm going to take this roll pin and punch it in there. All right, now that it's seated, I'm going to put this roll pin, tap it in there. All right, I tapped the roll pin in. That was not very hard. And now it's ready to install and hook up. Very simple. So I went ahead and routed the line down and tightened this up on the master cylinder, and I will go ahead and push it in its little hole here. And then all you do is drop it, and it will bolt right, the screw in right here. Alright, it's all buttoned up. I'll just put a zip tie and tie it right here. Okay, and that's what it looks like, all buttoned up. It's a driving. And as usual, I'll put a link down in the description for that advanced adapters kit. Bleeding the clutch system is a whole nother video. There's many videos online about that, but the main reason is I wanted to show you that there is a hydraulic line solution to these clutch master cylinders on these early 90 XJs and MJs with the AX15. So hopefully this helped. Y'all have a great week.